Is that your shark dance?
I'm getting ready then.
Help him on the platform.
Catch the bait here was a bait, eh? The big one was a bait.
Yeah.
Oh!
He's so excited.
Let's dance together.
So just had the most incredible lunch after 3 amazing surface cage dives this morning with the great whites. There are so many sharks here. They're here around the cages in great numbers, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. But while having a quick break, I thought I'd show you around the top deck quick. So behind me here, you've got the hot tub. If you look around the bay, there's a couple of other shark boats, cage diving boats up behind me there. Take you to the back of the boat where all the action's taking place. We've been really lucky with the rest of the guests that are on the boat with us this week. Really, really top group of guys. We've got travellers from Europe, Croatia, Switzerland. We've got a few Americans. Really, really great bunch. Crew are fantastic. The shark wranglers are doing an incredible job. There goes a shark just down there. It's chasing the bait. See it? Absolutely incredible. It's just like this. It's constant. They start the wrangling at 7 o'clock in the morning, finish at 6 p.m. And it's just sharks constantly. There's just constantly sharks going on. It's absolutely incredible. Any of you guys watching this that have always wanted to come to Guadalupe but thought that coming all this way, no matter where you live in the world, anyone that's thought about coming here but been put off by the length of the travel for what could only be 3 or 4 days in the water in the cages, trust me, it is worth it. I'd travel to the moon and back to do this. I was one of you people. It was one of those kind of things, if it's a long way to go, money to spend just for three days cage diving, it is absolutely phenomenal, and I would definitely come back and do this again. In fact, there's a guest here, we'll have a chat with him later on, but Andy, this is his 8th time. This is his 8th time to Guadalupe to do shark diving. It's one of those trips I think once you've done it once, that's it. It sucks you in, and you know, if you love sharks, this is just at the absolute pinnacle of places to come. So definitely put it on your bucket list. Save your pennies. It's absolutely incredible.